Good morning, artists. This is Miss Herring here. School might be canceled for the next 2 weeks, but your creativity isn't. So check in on Class Dojo every morning and I'll have a new video posted with a creativity challenge for you to accept. Before we get started with today's challenge, I want to acknowledge that we might not have the supplies that we need to make the art we want at our house. Even at my house, which has an art studio, I don't have nearly the amount of supplies that are in the school's art room. So all of the challenges I'm going to be giving to you this week and next will use things that hopefully you already have around your house. Today's challenge involves a pencil and paper. You don't have to have clean, nice notebook paper. It can be anything that has enough blank room for you to draw on. I also want to advise you, as your family's preparing meals at your house this week, save cardboard and set it aside for Friday, where we're going to have a cardboard construction challenge. During our Boosterthon in February, you learned about drawing on the right side of your brain, which means that you're drawing exactly what you see in front of you and not what you remember, which would be on the left side where you're using language and labels to draw something. So your challenge today is to find one object in your house that you would like to draw. I've selected this X-Wing toy from Star Wars and I have it placed in front of me where I can see it. You're going to choose what angle you'd like to set up your point of view. So move the piece around till you get it at a spot where you'd like to draw it from. And then your challenge is to build your stamina to draw exactly what you see for, if you're in kindergarten through second grade, 15 to 20 minutes. And my third, fourth, and fifth graders, I'd love to see you build your stamina to up to 30 minutes for drawing one item. If you finish drawing before the timer you set for yourself goes off, you can always move yourself to the other side of the object and draw it from a different point of view. As I'm starting to get started with drawing this, I'm thinking about what shapes do I see, where are they located in relationship to each other, what objects are in front of and behind other objects, and where I want to start drawing. I know, and you know too, that as I start to draw this, my brain is going to fight itself. My right brain is going to be so focused on drawing exactly what I see in front of me, the circles that I can only see part of, so they're not going to look exactly like a circle. I know that there's information on this side of the X-Wing that I can't see, so it's not going to be included in my drawing. And the left side of my brain is going to say, hey, Ms. Herring, you already know what an X-Wing looks like, so why don't you start to draw it from the parts you know it has? When that starts to happen in your brain as you're drawing the object that you chose for today's challenge, tell your left brain to be quiet. You're focused on drawing exactly what's in front of you and drawing the shapes that you see. So set your timer, kindergarten through second grade, 15 to 20 minutes, and third, fourth, and fifth grade students up to 30 minutes, and get to drawing. I can't wait to see what you make, and I'd love to see pictures of your drawings uploaded to Class Dojo. You can share them with me there. Have an awesome day. Bye.